Hello friends, how are you? Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to teach you the new rule of conditional formatting. You can see this is the option where we are going to learn from this option. So generally, you might have learned basic things of conditional formatting. You might have learned basic things about highlight cell rules, top bottom rules, data bars, color scales, icon sets. So all these you might have learned. So these are the basic rules of conditional formatting. But now we are going to learn new rule. Okay, so in new rule, how you yeah it is going to apply and how it is looks like. So I'm going to show you in my sheets. So I have prepared 4 sheets over here. In this I have applied the advanced level of conditional formatting. So in first sheet you can see, once I change the name, so I'll type here except clothes. Once I click on cosmetics, so it will be highlighted. See, this is the use of new rule. Okay, this is the use of new rule. Okay, in this I have highlighted the column value. So once you want to highlight the column values, how it is, how it works, how we can do this, I'll teach you further in this video. In second sheet, what I have done is I have highlighted entire row. So you can see entire row is highlighting over here. So once I change the name, you can see the row will be highlighted. Now you can see, so I have applied through 2 3 times. That is why it is showing 2 3 colors over here. But yes, in this, either the basic purpose of this sheet is to highlight the entire row. So once I click, type another, you can for example, electronics. So if you want to highlight electronics wala item, then you can click on this and you can type electronics. Now you can see in third sheet as well, I have highlighted the entire column. So once I type here code, you can see code column is highlighted. Once I type here quantity column will be highlighted. And in this fourth sheet, I have applied both entire row and entire column as well. So the formula would be the same. So in this, I use the row formula, and in this I use the column formula. I'll do it. So let me show you in first sheet how it is going to work. So first of all, we'll select the column. So I selected the column. Just go in home page. In your excel, it will the this option will be showing in home option. Once you click on home, and then you need to click on conditional formatting option. So let me highlight to you. This is the conditional formatting. Okay, so click on conditional formatting, click on new rule. This is the new rule. Click on new rule, click on use a formula to determine which cell to format. This last option, you can see I clicked on it. Now I click on this option and select this, right? So I clicked on cosmetic option. So I will remove the log. I'll remove the dollar sign here from here. Okay, so we'll remove the log from here. Now is equal to select the this cell value where we want to apply the conditional formatting. So our formula is applied over here. Now we'll go in format option, where you can see fill option is there. So this is the fill option. Okay, so once you click on fill option, this option will be showing, color option will be showing here. So you can choose any of the color. Now I choose this color. Click on OK. Now color is also applied. Click on OK. So now you can see, once I click on electronics, electronics wala item will be highlighted, and all other, because initially what already I have applied the formula, so now both the colors are showing. Earlier I applied this color, so this option is showing, and now I am applying this color, so this option is also showing. So don't worry, like I'm typing here cloths, so this will be highlighted as cloth. But yes, because as I already have applied it the this formula, so both the colors are showing over here, so don't worry about that. So the basic purpose of this video is to show you how to highlight the column value. So now we can highlight the column value by following this procedure. So now I'll go in second sheet, highlight. If you want to highlight entire row, so in that case, in and highlighting the entire row, select the entire जो भी sheet आप, whichever sheet you want to select the sheet, go in conditional formatting option, click on new rule, click on use a formula, last option, use a formula to determine which cell to format, click on this, click on this. So now you want to select the entire row, right? So I click on this, I remove the lock from here, is equal to, select this value, go in format, select any of the color you want to show, and now this is applied. So now once I click on new material, raw material, this is going to highlight. As told you earlier, that's, as I already have applied the conditional formatting in this sheet, so now all the sheet, all the colors are showing. So because I had done 2 3 times, so all the colors are showing over here, right? So the purpose of this sheet is to highlight the entire row. So now once I type something else, means furniture, so entire row will be highlighted. Now you can see the changes in third sheet. We'll go in third sheet. So now you can show the entire column. So the process will be the same. Select all the sheet, go in conditional formatting option, click on new rule, click on use a formula to determine which cell to format, click on this, and click on product option, because you want to highlight the entire column. Click on format, I choose this color, click on OK and OK. Now once I type something else, price, you can see the changes. Now price color has been changed. Click on total, because as I already had applied this color, so now this candidate is this color is highlighting only. So this is how you can change the colors, means this is how you can highlight the entire columns, I meant to say. So now in this sheet, I applied both the things, like I highlighted in product, in this I highlighted the entire row, and in column header I highlighted entire column, you can see. So the formulas which we used in this sheet and this sheet, so in this sheet we used this formula, highlight entire row, so we used here in this column, and the formula we used to highlight entire columns, we used this in this column. Because once I do again, do the formatting again in front of you, this will be showing all the colors, right? Both colors will be showing, so that is why I'm not going to apply again. So I'm just telling you that this is how it will be working. So if you want to highlight entire row and entire column, so you can in both the rows, you can, and cells, you can do the conditional formatting over here, right? So you can, once you click here total, so you can see your total wala column will be highlighted. And if you change here, in a row option, if you want to change the highlight the that row option, row column, then you can see, click on type groceries, why it is not getting applied? Just a second. Now you can see this is highlighted. So this is how we use the conditional formatting. I hope you might have learned the video and enjoyed the video. If you like my videos, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.